In Sihor, a Congress protest took an unusual turn during a farmers' agitation. Senior leader Umang Singhar joined party workers outside the collector's office demanding action on farmers' issue. The leader waited for nearly 2.5 hours, but the collector did not come to meet them. This made the protesters angry and frustrated. In a symbolic act, Singhar placed a board labeled collector around the dog's neck and handed over the memorandum to it. Earlier, he was also seen arguing with officials present at the site. Across Madhya Pradesh, Congress workers staged protest against the delay in wheat procurement this season. The state government said that global factors like the Israel-Iran conflict affected the process. However, opposition leaders rejected this explanation. In Khandwa, thousands of Congress workers gathered and broke barricades to reach the collector's office, raising loud slogans. Around 5,000 people reportedly joined the protest. Jitu Patwari accused the government of planning a scam by not arranging enough storage bags, saying farmers are being misled and suffering losses. In Bhind, BJP President Hemant Khandelwal made a strong statement during a public event. He reacted to an incident in Indore where a Congress councillor did not participate in singing Vande Mataram. Khandelwal said that even after 75 years of independence, some leaders are still not connected with the spirit of patriotism. He added that refusing to sing Vande Mataram is an insult to the freedom fighter who sacrificed everything for the nation. He clearly stated that the nation must always come above religion. In Sindhi district, a public grievance camp saw a heated moment between the Member of Parliament and a local woman. MP Dr. Rajesh Mishra was attending the camp when Rani Prajapati, a resident of nearby village, raised question about poor roads, lack of electricity and water shortage. During the interaction, the MP asked her to remain quiet and also scolded a person who was recording the video. The incident quickly gained attention and raised concern about how public representatives respond to citizen problems and questions. Weather conditions in Madhya Pradesh are expected to change rapidly in the coming days. According to the India Meteorological Department, in Bhopal, daytime temperatures may rise by 5 to 6 degrees Celsius starting April 10th. Before the heat wave begins, some districts may experience rain, thunderstorms and strong winds within the next 24 hours. Alerts have been issued for regions like Umaria, Shahdol, Dindori, Madla and Palaghat. After this short weather activity, a strong heat wave is likely to affect the state. People are advised to stay hydrated and avoid direct sun exposure.